C8 Mid Engine Corvette, the Lambo Doors, vertical doors, whatever you want to call it. First YouTuber to do it.
Major pressure.
Whip gang was good. It's your boy B Fairs with another video. Yeah, the last video crushed it, man. Yeah, I put the doors on that C8 Corvette, and today I'm just be going over the doors. You know, I'm gonna show y'all how it actually works, open and close. You know, y'all a good video clip of it today. You know, in the sunlight, since y'all only saw, you know, at night when it actually got done. So stay tuned, man. We're gonna go over these doors. It's gonna be a quick video, and I just want to say myself that you know, I'm kind of the first YouTuber to put the Lambo / vertical doors on the Mid Engine C8 Corvette. So I know, you know, everybody else gonna be doing it soon, but look, y'all need to give me my props now. All the big name YouTubers, I was the first one to do it. I'm small right now, but I'm growing. So hey, y'all give me a shout out, man, so I can get up there and y'all level. But yeah, let's get it, man. Yeah. She's a little dusty right now. Like everything else, the Jeep dusty, the Challenger's dusty, the Lexus is dusty. But we're not into that right now. We're into looking at this Mid Engine C8 Corvette and the doors on it. So let's go ahead and give it a cold start. And we're gonna pull it out and go over these doors real quick. Like I said, it won't be a long video. Woo! It won't be a long video. Cause y'all won't be able to hear me. It won't be a long video, so stay tuned, man. Hit that subscribe button right now. We shot past 850 real quick, so we almost at 1,000, man. So go ahead and keep hitting that subscribe button. Let's get it to 1,000. And plus that, the watch hours up. So, you know, like I said, though, for real, TJ Hunt, I don't know if you're gonna do it. CJ on 32s, I don't know if you're gonna do it. Emelia, I know you probably gonna do it. You know, 3-speed. Everybody, you know, everybody that's on YouTube with these Corvettes. If y'all do plan on doing the doors and everything like that, hey, you gonna love it. I love mine. It's been day number like 3 or 4 now. No issues at all with it. I love how it looks. A lot of other people love how it looks. So, hey, I was the first to do it. Prince_Whips 870 B Fairs. Give me a shout out. Real talk. First YouTuber to put the Lambo doors on the C8 Mid Engine Corvette. I'm gonna just open the doors now to get in and pull it out. Then we'll go over the, you know, the real video of it, but it's plain and simple, man. Open it like you go open it regular. Comes out so far, then we go up. Same thing on the inside. See that, you know how much difference that is getting out. So like you got all this space to get out now instead of that door being in the way. So I just grab it either here or right here. So I've been grabbing it here, pull it down till it drops, close it. I mean, that's it, plain and simple. Get everything started. I'm gonna pull this out real quick. We are at 6,236 miles now, so it's been great. Yeah, this will be good enough right here in the sun. And I will be driving this to work today, you know. It's not cloudy or anything like that. All right, So getting out the car. So I'm about to open the door to get out the car so y'all can see how that actually looks. So, I mean, everything is normal. Still got your button when it's unlocked. Hit your button, you hear the window go down. It opens so far. So you can see the hinges in there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off so y'all can be able to hear me real good. So, like I said, you see the hinges in there, how everything looks. This is how far the door opens. So I'm gonna get out and show you how far it opens on the outside too. But from the inside, this is how far it opens. So you have room to still get out if you need to. But, I mean, why get out regular if you got the kit, you know? So, and you just lift up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start washing this now like real good, cleaning that real good, because now it's actually gonna be in the open, you know. So, you get out, stand right up, and then, you know, you got your door open pretty much. No issues at all. So there's your kit right there. From the original hinges, you only had 2 hinges. One at the top, one at the bottom. So now you got this big hole hinge on it. That holds it a little better, but I mean, I love how it looks, like seriously. Love how the car looks with the doors up. I'm gonna open up the other door and I'm gonna let the windows down too, because it gives it a different look while the windows are down and the doors are up. So with the passenger side, same concept. You got your pad under here. Open it up as far as it lets you go, which is right here. So this is far the door will open. And you can get in the car from this location. So, far as it open, and go up. I mean, it's plain and simple as that, man. Changes the whole look of the car. The entire look. So here's a good look from the front of the car. I mean, they just there. No shaking, no moving. Give y'all a good walk around. First YouTuber to do this now. Yeah, I gotta keep that in mind. Cause I know it's gonna be, I'm telling you, it's gonna be a whole lot of more people doing this, but hey, Prince_Will7 is the first. Subscribe, for real. So I'm gonna get it here, I'm gonna let the windows down. And I haven't seen it with the top off and the doors up yet. So let me do that too real quick. So I'm gonna leave that side up. Well, I'm gonna leave both up, but I'm just get in here, start it back up, so I can let the windows down. And everything still works like normal, just if you had the door open regular. So both doors just went down. You can see how it looks in here. Right back out. I mean, it's not hard to get in and out the car. So here it is with the windows down now. Can y'all tell the difference in how, you know, how much it looks? I'm telling y'all, you will love it if you get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the passenger side down and close that so y'all can see it in action real quick, and then I'm gonna take the top off so we can get a quick view of that. And that's gonna be the end of this video. You know, I just wanted y'all to show it. And I wanted to say personally that I know I am the first YouTuber to do this. So I'm gonna close this door down. Plain and simple, y'all, look. Pull it down till it stops. And close it. Closes right up like. Do the same thing over here. I either grab it, I've been grabbing it from here sometimes. I just been grabbing it from this area. So I'm just grabbing from up here, pull it down till it stops, close it. No issues. So I'm gonna snatch the top off so y'all can see this too real quick. Like I said, it's simple. Open far as it let you open, and go up. Down. Come. Subscribe right now. So look, the top is off. We're gonna let these two doors up. Just show y'all that, man. And I love the doors, no issues at all. So y'all was planning on getting it, go ahead and get it. Like, you won't be upset at all with the Lambo kit for the C8 Corvette. So top is off. Again, plain and simple. Button regular, lift up. Passenger side, same thing. Pull out as far as it let it go, lift up. And that's that. That is that. C8 Mid Engine Corvette, the Lambo Doors, vertical doors, whatever you want to call it. First YouTuber to do it. But I appreciate Tim though for the installation. He came down and did it. We had a good time, man. It was all fun, all games. And he did a great job. And I love how it turned out. I love how it looks. So, thank y'all for tuning in, watching this video, enjoying this video. But if y'all got any questions, you know, reach out to me. I answer everything that I know so far about this kit. And like I said, I haven't had any issues. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like, hit the share. Let's get up to 1,000. Enjoy y'all day. And I'm enjoying my C8 Corvette with my Lambo doors on it, baby. Prince_Whip 70. Let's get it.